Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your insurance terms with Securian Financial, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your insurance terms with Securian Financial, begin by gathering all relevant documents. Locate your existing insurance policy documents for easy reference. Visit the official Securian Financial website. Sign in to your account with your username and password. If you do not have an account, select the option to create a new one. Once logged in, navigate to the insurance section of your dashboard. Look for the option to manage or modify your insurance terms. Select the policy you wish to update. Review the current terms of your insurance and take note of any changes you wish to make. Follow the prompts to proceed with resetting your insurance terms. You may be required to confirm your identity through security questions or a verification code. Once verified, you can begin adjusting your terms as needed. Make sure to read through any policy changes carefully. After making adjustments, review any additional terms or conditions that may apply. If you are satisfied with the proposed changes, proceed to submit your request. You will receive a confirmation notification once your request has been processed. Keep track of your communication for future reference. If you encounter any issues, contact Securian Financial's customer support for assistance. They can help resolve any problems or answer questions you may have. Following these steps will ensure your insurance terms are reset accurately and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.